Ano ba ang essence ng pagkakaroon ng team building? Kasi ang team building, as they say, it is done to promote solidarity and cohesiveness in the group. Hindi yung naglaro lang tayo, hindi yung nag-aksaya lang tayo ng oras, hindi yung nag-inom lang tayo.
Masaya at saka maraming natututunan. Tulad nga ng goal sa team building, di ba? Camaraderie, cooperation, listening skills, tsaka marami pa. So, it's good na may binibigay si company na ganitong opportunity sa mga employees.
Yung first activity medyo chill lang naman. Pero feeling ko itong mga susunod is challenging na.
Sisiw naman sa amin yung laro. Yung iba pinagbibigyan lang namin. Nakita niyo, mahirap na hirap yung kalaban namin, no?
Yung games natin ngayon is easy peasy lang. Pero yung pinaka-the best ko na games is yung first, ano nga ba yung first? No? Yung first na games na winner kami.
Yung activity ngayon nakakapagod yung ginawa namin, pero first good for the health, tapos nadidevelop yung teamwork namin.
Magandang experience yung yun nga, nag-open up yung mga kasama ko para at least makita namin yung kaugalian, emotions, and ma-understand namin yung kanilang mga feelings kung ano ba yung pinagdadaanan nila.
Cutting through their skin, they're hunting down their prey to the bitter end.
Sa activities, nag-enjoy naman kami lahat. Yung mga games, medyo nakakapagod, pero worth it naman. Although nung una, medyo natalo kami, then eventually, bumabawi. So, nandun yung teamwork ng bawat member. It's very tiring, but I think it helps a lot in developing the teamwork. It's different from the previous one. I think helps a lot. I think the good thing is at least it enhances yung teamwork, partnership between each member. So I think it's very helpful. I believe so far everyone enjoy.
It's ground that they're walking and cutting through their skin. They're hunting down their prey to the bitter end. It's ground that they're walking and cutting through their skin. They're hunting down their prey. Let the games begin.
TNT Morning Philippines Team Building 2024.